What's good, hustle fam? If you've been scrolling through AI content and thinking, okay, but how do I actually make money with this as a beginner? This is your 2025 starter guide. In this video, I'm breaking down the exact steps to go from knowing nothing to launching your first AI-powered side hustle, even if you've never sold anything online before. No fluff, no tech jargon. Just straight income plays. Let's lock in. Step 1. Pick a niche. Before you touch a tool, ask yourself, what kind of digital product or service do I want to sell? Here are beginner-friendly niches popping in 2025. Content writing, newsletters, captions, blog posts, 2 digital templates, planners, Notion dashboards, AI-generated art and printables. 4. Short-form video repurposing. Ebooks, journals, lead magnets. Pro tip: go with something you're curious about. You can always pivot later. Step 2. Choose the right AI tools. Now let's match the niche with the perfect tools. ChatGPT for writing, ideas, scripts, captions, ebooks. Canva AI for designs, templates, social posts. Notion AI for productivity tools, digital planners. Pictory, Opus Clip for turning long form into viral shorts. Leonardo AI, Midjourney for AI-generated art and printables. The most amazing part is all these tools offer free versions, and they do most of the heavy lifting. Step 3. Create your offer. This is where you build your actual product. Examples of what you can package and sell are a PDF productivity planner built in Canva plus ChatGPT, a short-form video service using Pictory for creators, a bundle of Notion dashboards customized with Notion AI, a digital art series or wallpapers created with AI image tools, a caption kit for social media managers written by ChatGPT. The goal is build once, sell repeatedly. Step 4. Sell on free marketplaces. Don't worry about building a website yet. Here's where you can sell right now for free. Etsy for planners, printables, art, templates. Gumroad, Payhip for ebooks, courses, downloadables. Fiverr, Upwork for service-style gigs. AI-focused marketplaces like prompt-based or niche Discord groups. It's up. Set it and start stacking. Step 5. Promote with organic content. You don't need ads. Just create short, snappy content showing your product in action. TikTok, behind-the-scenes builds or finished templates. YouTube, shorts, demos, results, tutorials. Pinterest, great for visual planners or printable content. Even 15 seconds of real value can get you your first few sales. And there it is, your step-by-step roadmap to making money with AI tools in 25. If you're serious about launching a side hustle this year, now's the time to act. Start messy, start broke, just start. Smash that subscribe button. Drop a comment on which hustle you're starting. Hit like to push this video to more AI hustlers. This is AI Hustle Network. Let's get this money.